Bibledit. Bible translation and editing software. Why Bibledit? Bibledit works on any device and operating system. That is, on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. Bibledit can be installed on your device, but it can also be used online, without installing anything. Bibledit works online as well as offline, which can be great for traveling, for example. The data are stored locally on your device, while they can be uploaded later, once an internet connection is established again. Bibledit is great for teamwork. It allows translators, managers, and consultants to work together smoothly, even when not working in the same location. It has a convenient system of consultation notes, which makes communication between consultants and translators very easy. Bibledit is open-source software, which means it can be improved or adapted to one's personal needs. There is no need for registration. Anyone can freely use the software. Bibledit comes with a paratext bridge for Windows and Linux. This allows for two-way synchronization of Bibles between paratext and Bibledit. Bibledit can deal with any language, as long as your browser supports your language. Bibledit supports the whole translation project, from the very start, up to the typesetting of the completed translation. For more information, please visit bibledit.org.